What is up, guys? I've been back with another vlog. Today we have something very special. I am finally going to start modding my car. My little baby over here, Mariah. Remember her from when a clutch broke? Yeah, that's her right there. She's finally getting something I've been waiting for months, even like a year now. I'm finally putting an Invidia exhaust. This thing is awesome. It's the entire system. So this is the Invidia Gemini. This thing is going to sound absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait for you guys to hear it. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I'm going to do the install later, and I'll split up in 2 videos for you guys. So right now, I'm about to show you everything that's in this box, and so let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the box that I've been waiting for. This is the Invidia Gemini Performance System Exhaust. Some Japanese writing there. This thing is so dope. I am so ready to get this thing open. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have not opened this thing yet, so you're going to do this with me. I am so excited. Let's do this. Let's get out my trusty little key here. Are you guys ready for this? I'll just lay it out for you guys. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, man. Oh, that nice clean weld on there. This is awesome. What's next, baby? What we got over here? Just a nice pipe. They really keep these things secure, which is actually something I really like. So thank you, Invidia. Alright, so look at the nice and labeled driver's side. Ooh. Oh, I like this. This is sexy. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Oh, nice clean weld. This thing is sick. Also, it's FYI, it's like 100 degrees outside, so I'm sweating so bad. That is the other side. This is the resonator. Alright. Oh, here's the big boy. Alright, let me show you guys. So this obviously goes near the back end of the car. This thing is heavy. Holy crap. Oh man, this thing is huge. I love it. This is awesome. Alright. I think this might be my tips. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh baby. This is all I wanted. I just wanted this burnt titanium tip. Look at that. You can see that Invidia high performance on both sides. Oh man. This thing's massive. Holy crap. So Invidia actually gives you some tips on how to clean this. So that's actually kind of cool. Actually, I wouldn't know that. So here's my other tip. Yeah, baby. Oh, this is so clean. I am so stoked. Got all the hardware, all the gaskets, everything on here. I think I can even change the extension, how long I want this sticking out. I even got some stickers. Let's go. Yeah, all the hardware, everything's in here. So, I said it was a successful unboxing. My first one actually. Look at that, first one for the channel. And you guys get to experience it. Wow, okay, that's a lot. So, here, let me show you. I kind of got everything laid out here, but I'm about to figure this whole thing out here just a little bit. Yeah, so start here, and then they come back here, and then I'll have to get the that pipe's gonna go over here, and then the driver's side's right there because it says it on that little thing right there, and then it'll connect to here with my nice tips. Guys, this is amazing. I cannot believe that I actually am doing this right now. Alright guys, so go ahead and keep a lookout for the install video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun unboxing this. This is absolutely insane. I listed it a lot. I'm just so happy right now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know this is just an unboxing, maybe a little quick, but that's all I wanted to do. I want to show you everything that came in this box because Invidia totally sets you up when you buy their product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.